So here we are already at the last floor. Okay, we are already at the 5th floor, so we have to move to, let me zoom so that you see. Yeah, so we have to move it up here. So let's try to rotate. I would like us to move it at this point. I would like us to bring it at this point. Okay, I would like us to bring it at this point. So let's go back. It's very far, and what we do is let's turn to wireframe. Okay, let's put it to wireframe. Like I said, we move it from this point. Okay, so here we select everything. Okay, so we use the cross window to select. We select it repeatedly so that no point will be left. Then we go to move. We can take it from this point. Okay, we can take it from this point. Go to take it from this point, and move it over. So you're gonna be careful here in placing. You're gonna be really careful here. Let me just try to put it to shaded so that you see how we do it. Let's orbit, 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 orbit. Okay, so you're gonna see that the point is here. This is the point, this is the point. So we zoom it out. This is the point, and let's go back. So this is the point, this is the point, and we place it here. Please, you have to be very careful in selecting your point, because if you misplace it, it will be hard for you. So we place it here, and we're gonna have it like that. So let's put it to shaded and see what we have. So shade it. So you will see that we have had an XLS placed. Okay, so it's well placed. So it's well placed. As you can see, everywhere is covered. It's well placed. Even at the level of the back, everything is good. So everything is good. So at this part of the back part, at the back parts, so we have some similar balconies. So this balcony is similar to this one. So we're going to copy this balustrade and move it up. Okay, let's copy and create a copy upwards. So I haven't yet given a union to this because of material. Okay, then let's go to copy. We have to copy. Then let's come at a certain point here. Let's pick it from this point, pull it upward, and let's type the height of one story is 3. So you type in 3, enter to create a copy up. So you're gonna see that we've created this copy up here. So as you can see, everything is well placed. And let's see, this one is not similar to this one, so we have to create another one here. So already I've created this 2D structure. Sorry, let's copy and move it to the position. So let's place it here. Oh, very sorry for that. We copied at the wrong point. Yeah, let's copy again. So we're gonna copy from this lower end point, okay, and then we move it up here and place here. Yeah, place here. Now let's move over to the coordinate and we click on the face to move the UCS to. Let's place it here. Okay, very good. So that will be able to. Then from here, let's go to the line command. Okay, we click here, we pull it, and we click here. And pull it this way. So finally our finished line should be like this. Then now we select, okay, let's select the lines and we give a join. I didn't want to use a polyline because it will have many points to snap. Okay, so that's my reason. Sorry for that. And the J for join. Enter. Then I would like us to copy this polyline and keep a copy somewhere. Yeah, let's copy. Let's just place a copy here, and let's go to the extruder command and we select this object to extrude. Okay, so here we're gonna follow the path and let's select this polyline as a path. Okay, so here we're gonna have it like this. Very good. Now let's move to, so this line that we copy, we have to go to create some let's go to draw and we do some division. Let's click on divide. Let's divide this line into 18 portions. Enter. Then let's give a point type, PT for point type, because here we actually want to do the balustrade. Okay, so here we have, sorry, so here we have our point type. Then now let's move down here and return to, okay, node is already activated, and I would like us to copy one of these. Okay, let's copy from the center and we bring it here, and sorry for that, let's place on these nodes. Yeah, if it's hot, and then we we copy again from here. Okay, let's copy again from here, then we come to not. No, I'd like us to copy again this one. Yeah, so you just need to keep trying. Okay, so these are the challenges that you face when doing it. Okay, we copy from here. You see that easily it can go here. So if the other one doesn't go, then you copy the other one. Okay, so now we have to follow this line. Now we can now copy this one, and finally we're gonna have it this way. Okay, then I would like us to go back to visually and put it to wireframe so that we can select the nodes and delete. Okay, let's select the nodes and let's select the nodes and delete. So let's go back to put it on shaded view, and we select everything here and we move. Okay, so let's move from this endpoint here, and they will bring it up right here. Let's come to this midpoint and we click there. We're gonna have it like that. So here, let's create a copy of this. Then we just select and we go to copy. Yeah, you come here, you copy from this central point, you move it upward and to this next center point. Let me zoom so that you see where the center point, and you click. Okay, so we're gonna have something perfect like that. But when you want to try to look, yeah, everything is okay, everything is cool, and we have it like that. Let's look at it this way. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's okay here, very cool. You see it this way, it's cool. So from here, let's orbit the drawing to the other face. Yeah, so this other face, there is yeah, I think here there's one balcony here. Yeah, so we're gonna put this balcony. So here we've already used the same procedure to create this balustrade. Okay, so we've already used the same procedure we used the other way to create this one balustrade. And now from here we're going to see that there are some columns here which we have to take them up. So we select the columns, select the columns, select the columns, and let's go to copy. Let's copy it and take them upward. Then let's copy at this endpoint, take it upward and type in a height of 3, enter. So we're gonna have our columns like that.